Hey guys, what's crackin'? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie if you are new here, so hi. It is pouring rain outside today and I had another video planned, but I changed my mind. I don't know about you guys, but this time of year and just the Christmas season in general can be very stressful for a lot of us. I'm really stressed out right now. I have all of my finals to do next week and I had some this week. And I just have no time to do anything, it feels like, and it's just a lot to handle, you know? So my room is a train wreck. I haven't had any time to clean it in 2 weeks maybe, and mostly because I've been so stressed out and focusing on other things, and also just my mental health has not been great right now, and that's okay, that's fine. I thought that I would make this video to just inspire you guys to not only take care of yourselves and your things and your health right now in general and your mental health, but just to, if you're having a hard time finding motivation to do simple tasks like cleaning your room, this is just gonna be a clean with me video. So I'm probably just gonna chill, relax, clean my room. But yeah, come along, clean with me. We can have some fun, play some good music, some good tunes, even though they will not be featured in this video because sis is not getting copyrighted again, but I'll leave my Apple Music playlist that I like to clean to down below so you guys can listen to that if you want to clean your room. So yeah, just come along. Let's get started, shall we? So the very first thing that I started with was stripping my bed. I took all of my sheets off because I'm going to wash them because they're gross and they need to be washed. So that's what I'm doing. Next thing that I'm going to do is tackle the first pile. So this is the first pile that I'll be tackling. As you can see, my pillows and some of my other stuff from my bed are on the floor. So I'm going to move all of the things that go on my bed, like my pillows, my comforter and stuff like that, onto my bed, and then I'm going to work through the clothes and decide whether they are clean or dirty. And if they're clean, I'm gonna hang them back up, and if they're dirty, I'm gonna put them in my laundry bin. Music time. This is the first playlist. So there's just a bunch of stuff all over the floor, and I don't really have another place for my schoolwork at the moment, so I kind of leave it on the floor, which makes it really messy. But as long as I tidy it up, it'll be fine. So do you want to help me?
Not really.
Okay.
It looks good so far though. Hey! Oh, no, don't put that in. Oh boy. Okay, bye.
This is such a weird angle. Okay, now I have to do this pile. These are my sheets that I will be putting on my bed. Now time to tackle the bed. Okay, because my bed is pushed up against that wall, it's kind of a process, so it's gonna get worse before it gets better. So I'm not like, don't fret, you know. I'm gonna put all the stuff on the floor and then I'm gonna put it back on in as neat of a way as possible. But my sheets are nice and fresh now, and yeah, let's get into it. The bed is completed. I know this looks stupid, but if you look at it from a top angle, it looks way better. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go get stuff to dust and vacuum. I've got my duster and I'm just gonna start dusting. Done with that, now I'm gonna vacuum. So that is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this. I know I've had a really stressful week and an upcoming really stressful week, so I hope you guys could just use this video to take a breather, relax for a couple minutes, and I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite part of this video is or what your favorite part of the cleaning process is. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.